I love starting my day with this song, Jump Up. It's a song that I play almost every day with my 2-year-old. He strums the open strings of his ukulele. We sing and jam it together. There's only 3 chords, and if you'd like to join in with me, I think you're going to find this is an uplifting song. Nice way to start your day. The chords and lyrics are going to be shown right here on the screen for you. There are links down below if you'd like to join the community and receive perks like the printable song sheet and a bonus lesson that's going to teach you the solo. It's a little challenging, but I think you're going to find the way I show you helps you to learn it quickly and make those tough moments actually enjoyable to work through. Stick around for the whole video here because I'm going to share some cool strum tricks that build upon the strum trick that I showed in this video. I'll share some licks, strum tricks after we jam the song. Thanks very much for joining me. Thank you for being here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump up. Day is breaking. Jump up. Let's get shaken. I know you're lying down. Jump up and we'll dance around. Jump up. Bells are ringing and I hear friends are singing. Oh yeah, it's a crazy sound. Jump up and we'll dance around. Jump up, clouds are passing. Look up, the sky is laughing. I know we'll be laughing soon. Jump up, I wanna dance with you. Jump up, stand on your tiptoes, reach out, grab a rainbow, turn it upside down. Jump up and we'll dance around. Keep on strumming for the solo. That's right. I love, love, love you. New day is shining down. Jump up and we'll dance around. Tag it. Jump up and we'll dance around. Jump up and we'll dance around. Thanks so much for making music with me. I want to show you those licks right now. If you're enjoying this so far, please give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and click those links down below if you'd like to support this channel and get some cool perks for your music journey. I played these licks. And what that is going down a pentatonic scale, 3rd fret, open, 3rd fret, open. I do a little pick and slide, 2nd fret to 3rd fret, but see how my thumb sweeps through to the open string. And that's a nice ragtime kind of thing to play. Okay, you can mess with that, make it your own. The other lick I was playing, these are fill licks at the end of each verse. Kind of a classic bluesy Hawaiian sound. My ring finger and my 2nd finger are both on the 7th fret, 3rd string and 1st string. I go down to the 6th fret, 5th fret, and then 4th and 3rd. You can make it even bluesier if you slide in. So when I get to the end of the verse, jump up and we'll dance around. Or jump up bamboo dance around. Okay, these are things that you practice over and over again. They become part of your music vocabulary. You'll be able to draw upon them. It takes some patience to practice them. If you click the links down below, you'll see that the bonus content I offer leads you through specific processes of, it's not just about repeating them, it's the way we repeat them and the way we create an environment for our practice that allows us to not only grow in our music, but to really enjoy each step of the journey. Now for a strum trick. This is a way of creating dynamic in your playing. It's cool to strum all the strings. However, if you notice carefully, I'm not always playing all of them. Sometimes I'm just bouncing off the bottom string and then going through all of them. Try this with me. Bounce off the bottom, down, up, down. This works the same on a high G or a low G. Bounce, down, up, down. Just imagine you're bouncing off a trampoline. Make this a very graceful, loose motion. Now, this creates some nice dynamic, and if you use your thumb, it can become a really nice thing to do where you sweep down with the thumb, down, up, down, thumb, down, up, down. Once you get comfortable with the thumb mixing up with the index finger, well, check it out. You can create some bass lines. See, I'm just alternating the string. On the C, I'm going from the 3rd string to the 4th string. On the G, 4th to 3rd. Rewind this video, take some notes if you need to. On the F chord, you could continue plucking the 2nd string, 3rd string. That's a nice little bass line to mix in. So, sometimes when we want a full-bodied, just rockin' sound, we strum all the strings, but it's nice to have dynamics in our playing where we're not always... We can have leave a little space in it. This is a really tasty thing to do and can level up your musicianship in a big way. I appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. I'm looking forward to making music with you in another video soon. Wishing you and your family all the best.